Today, I want to share how I travel like an extreme minimalist. This idea wasn't originally mine. I got inspired during a recent 13-hour flight from Chile to Madrid. In the waiting line, I noticed a young guy, probably around 25 years old. He was wearing sandals, jogging pants, and a white sweatshirt. What caught my attention was his luggage, or lack thereof. He only had a simple bag like this one for the entire 13-hour flight. No additional luggage, no cabin bags. Just that. He looked so calm and serene. It felt like a scene from a movie. On the other hand, I was there with my family, burdened with backpacks and heavy luggage. It made me think, maybe I should try traveling light like him next time. So I decided to try it out for my next long international flight. Here's what I did, and maybe you'll find it helpful too. First, I took a simple bag and added a few personal touches. This was my only luggage for the entire trip. What's in my bag? iPad Pro. I usually travel with a MacBook Air, but I switched to an iPad Pro with a pen inside. It's compact and versatile. Charger and earbuds. I keep these in a small plastic case to stay organized. Passport and phone, essential for any trip. Here's my phone's ultra-minimalist home screen. No distractions. Toothbrush, basic hygiene items. Sometimes I carry tissues or alcohol gel, but that's about it. Keys, always essential. Pen, handy for filling out customs forms or other documents. Everything fits neatly in the bag. No zippers. The bag has no zippers, which means no fussing around with stuck zippers or broken pulls. It's quick and easy to access everything I need. Low profile. This bag doesn't attract attention. It's simple and understated, which is great for blending in and not standing out as a tourist. Eco-friendly. Using a paper bag has a low environmental footprint. It's biodegradable and a more sustainable option compared to synthetic materials. Compact and foldable. The bag is small and can be easily folded when not in use. This is perfect for storing it away when I don't need it, taking up minimal space. Lightweight. With just a few essential items, the bag is very light, making it easy to carry around without straining my shoulders or back. Increased legroom. By hanging the bag on the hook in front of my seat, I free up space around my feet. As a tall guy, this extra legroom is a big plus. Quick accessibility. Having everything in one small bag means I can access my items quickly without rummaging through a larger suitcase. Stress reduction. Traveling light reduces the stress of keeping track of multiple bags and makes the entire travel experience more enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed this look into my minimalist travel setup. Let me know in the comments how you travel, and have a great day. Bye.